In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image or video in Card quickly and efficiently. Whether you are enhancing your personal or professional website, Card allows you to seamlessly integrate visuals to captivate your audience. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll have gained the skills to incorporate images and videos into your Card projects with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Card website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. However, if you're already a user, simply log in. Once you're in, select the project you want to work on or start a new one. In this demo, we will assume you have opened a project or are beginning with a blank template. Next, you'll notice an interface with various options. To add media, direct your attention to the plus icon located in your workspace. Clicking this icon will pull up different elements you can add to your site. From this menu, select either image or video, depending on what you're looking to include. Each option is designed to offer a straightforward path for adding your desired media. If you select video, you'll be presented with a choice. Will you embed a video from an external source, or do you prefer to upload your video directly? Embedding is great for videos already hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, and it keeps your page load time efficient. If you choose to upload, make sure your video is formatted correctly and under any size restrictions imposed by Card. This step allows viewers to engage directly with your media without navigating away from your site. Once you've decided, take the time to choose an appropriate thumbnail and title for your video. The thumbnail should represent the video content compellingly and attractively. A descriptive title is also crucial as it gives context and encourages viewers to uncover more. If you have selected Image after clicking on the Image option from the Elements menu, the next step is straightforward. Upload your image file by selecting the Upload button. Consider the image size and resolution, as these factors greatly affect the visual appeal and loading speed of your site. After your image is uploaded, you'll see options to provide additional details. Assign a title to your image and include alternate text, which improves accessibility and SEO. If your image links to another page or resource, enter the respective link URL. Once every element is in place and you're satisfied with the additions, simply click the Done button. This step finalizes your changes and integrates your new media into your Card project seamlessly. With these steps, you now have the know-how to enhance your Card site with engaging images and videos. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!